Hello everyone. Today I'm going to solve one of the most popular HashMap problems on LeetCode. The question number 49, the group anagram. This is the medium level question and is asked most frequently in coding interview. So first, I will explain the question, the approach, and then we will write the code in C++. So first we are given a string strs. Okay, we have to group the anagram together. What are the anagram? Anagram are two words which have the same character with the same frequency, like eat, tea. They both are three characters and all the character frequency are same. And we have to return the answer in any order. So what we will do is first we will create a hash map in which the key will be the sorted string. For example, if it is eat, it will be AET, and the value will be the original string. So if the E is AET, the value will be eat, T, and 8. Okay, so let's start. And after the hash map, we will create a vector and in which we will store the values in the order in which they were appended. So let's create the hash map. The string is the key and the vector with a string as the value. This will be our output. So let's traverse in the given strs string. So let's create a copy of the given string first, as we will need the original afterwards. And let's sort it. Now, if the key already exists, it will append the value to that, or else it will create the new key. So anagram with the key and the value. To the value will be the st. Now let's traverse in the hash map and push the values to the results vector. We have used second for the value, and for the key we have to use a dot first. So as we have to store the value, so we used a dot second, and when we will return the res result. Let's check. Okay, it is running. As you can see, it runs flawlessly with a 13 hours time runtime, which with 77.25% people and 24.8 memory. Thank you for your time. I hope you like my explanation, and you come again for the next LeetCode question.